Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Topic: a culinary tour of Italy, pizza, pasta, and gelato. Setting: two colleagues, Anya and Leo, are enjoying their lunch break on a park bench, basking in the warm afternoon sun.
This pizza is divine. The thin crust, the tangy tomato sauce, the fresh mozzarella. Italy truly knows how to do comfort food right.
Couldn't agree more. It's amazing how a simple combination of ingredients can be so incredibly satisfying. You know, pizza has conquered the world, from classic Neapolitan to deep dish Chicago styles.
It's true. Every culture has adopted it, adding their own twist. It's a testament to its versatility and deliciousness. But pizza isn't the only Italian dish taking center stage globally.
Absolutely. Pasta, of course, is another champion. From the delicate strands of spaghetti to the hearty tubes of penne, there's a perfect pasta shape for every sauce and craving.
And the sauces: creamy carbonara, spicy arrabbiata, fresh pesto. The list goes on. I especially love how regional specialties like cacio e pepe showcase the distinct flavors of different parts of Italy.
It's fascinating how pasta, like pizza, has adapted to local tastes. From creamy mac and cheese in America to pad thai in Southeast Asia, the influence is undeniable.
Don't forget about the grand finale of any Italian meal, gelato. This isn't just ice cream, it's an art form. The intense flavors, smooth texture, and vibrant colors are a feast for the senses.
And with endless flavor combinations, from classic pistachio to adventurous lavender honey, there's a gelato for every palate. It's the perfect way to end a meal or enjoy a refreshing treat on a warm day.
These three dishes, pizza, pasta, and gelato, are just a glimpse into the vast and delicious world of Italian cuisine. Each bite is a journey through regional traditions, fresh ingredients, and culinary passion.
They're not just meals, they're experiences. So next time you have a chance, delve deeper into the world of Italian food. You might just discover your new favorite dish, and maybe even a new appreciation for a culture that celebrates the simple pleasures of good food.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.